How to fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna fix your issue of your Google reviews not being shown up publicly. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the Google reviews not showing up publicly, you need to open up the Google Maps application onto your device and make sure you have updated to the latest version of the app. After opening up, turn on the location, and here you need to just tap on contribute. On your home screen you can see explore, view, and contribute. Simply tap on contribute, and here you will be able to see the reviews that you provided. If you have not provided, just simply go to the account that you have provided it. After that, simply tap on view your profile here, and after tapping on it, you just simply tap on three dot there and tap on profile settings. When you scroll to the last, you can see it says reviews, photos, ratings, and other contents that you post on maps are always public across Google services like search, even with a restricted profile. So the new update of Google allows you to directly review your show your reviews to public directly if you have updated app. So make sure to update your app for that latest feature. So in that way, you can fix your Google reviews not showing up publicly. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.